Hi everyone, it's Laura Heigl with Century 21 Sheets, your key to the finest homes. And it's time for us to talk about what is going on in the Indiana real estate market. So fourth quarter, traditionally, we know that it slows down a little bit, and we're seeing some of those numbers. So let's take a look. The first thing we see is across all of our market, that the number of homes sold dropped slightly. As a market, we dropped 1%. We still sold a lot of homes here in the Indianapolis market, more than 3,000. When we look at individual counties, Boone County sales really slowed down here, 10.5%. So in the last month, sales dropped by 10.5% versus the previous month. Marion County sales dropped 3.5%. That's our largest county here in central Indiana. And then when we look at Hamilton only dropped 0.7%. So Hamilton was almost flat, a slight drop. Boone County had the biggest drop. Inventory, let's talk about inventory. Inventory means the number of homes on the market. And traditionally this time of year, we see inventory levels increase because home sales slow a little bit. And sure enough, that's what happened. As in all area, we are up 2.1%. So across the board, our inventory increased by 2.1%. Boone County was flat. So no change, no increase or decrease in Boone County. Marion County up about 4.8%, so not quite 5. We see an increase there. And then finally, Hamilton was very similar to Boone. It's up slightly, but 0.7%. So inventory climbs a little bit fourth quarter, and this is exactly what we would expect to see. Last thing I want to talk to you about is how things sell. So if you're a seller, and I talked to a gentleman on the phone this morning, and this was exactly his question, is what's going on with how things are selling. So overall, as a market, sellers are getting 97.5% of their asking price. That's pretty good compared to lots of other markets. In Boone County, 97.2. So we're hanging right in there over that 97 mark. Same thing for Marion, 97.1. Because Marion is so big, that has a big impact on our numbers. And then friends at Hamilton, 98.2. You get the prize for this month that you are getting the highest percent of ask for sales. Obviously, when I give you these numbers, you may or may not live in one of these 3 counties, and the overall county numbers may mimic yours or not. This is really what you need to do. We need to break it down by price point. We need to break it down by where you are. So if you're considering selling your home or you're considering buying a home, now's a good time to call me. Let's sit down and have a conversation about what your needs are and the numbers that aren't just general numbers, but really what would be particular to the price point that you're buying at or selling your home. So thanks for watching and checking in with numbers. There are lots of things that go into a real estate sale. It's not all countertops and paint. It is inventory levels and absorption rates and all kinds of things you need to know about. So give me a call. I'm Laura Heigl, Century 21 Sheets. My phone number, 317-525-2272. Have a great day.